So if you're a fresher, a one-page resume on an A4 size paper would be the most suitable resume. So you got to leave proper margins at the top, at the bottom, at the left, and the right. So inside these margins, if you start from writing your name from left to right, your name should carry the should be of a size that is maximum in comparison to any other letters on that page, because this page is all about you. You're the most important information over there. Right below your name, of course. Yeah, write your physical address in just one line if possible, at the most 2 lines. And thereafter, your phone number, not your guardian's phone number, not your parents' phone number, your phone number, because the interviews are going to reach directly to you, all right, and your email ID. And thereafter, one simple line, meaning that that's you and your contact. And then you write 2 or 3 sentences about your career objective, because your interviewers want to know what sort of aspirations you got. Well, in your career objective, in those 2 or 3 sentences, you project your skill and a narrative about what kind of personality you carry and what kind of skill you carry and how you're going to increase the goodwill of the company once you get recruited, and what sort of learning skills, of course, you have, and how you'd learn to love the process in the company, and how you'd learn to grow with the company. Right, that's it. As a career objective, below your career objective, you could write your education, and there you could mention only your highest qualification till now, till the point of time when you're submitting this resume. Your highest qualification along with the institute name and address, in short, there, and your CGPA score obtained, right? And then thereafter, the interviewer is, of course, interested to know what skills you carry, right? So clearly mention 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 domain-related skills. It's your hard skills as far as the job is concerned. What skills you bring with you, along with a few proofs that you have applied these skills in some experiments or so during your university or college life. And of course, a few other soft skills, like you could be a good debater, or you could have good exposure to debates or group discussions or anchoring or extempors, right? So that means that you got to provide a few substantial proofs of your exposures to these, your debates or GDs or extempors. And thereafter, the projects that you have accomplished in your university or college life with data, and about those experiments or projects, and what was your involvement in those projects or experiments, and right, with substantial data or some kind of proofs that those things are actually correct, and what you've learned from those projects and what still you want to learn, right? And then thereafter, seminars you've attended, and certifications regarding some competitions and some tournaments or some competitions that you have won as all right, and of course some extracurricular activities if you have any, because your extracurriculars also expose the personality of yours, and then your hobby, for example cycling, that's a great hobby. For example cricket, that's a great hobby. For example volleyball, that's a great hobby. So just mention 1 or 2 hobbies only, because that's going to project how handsome or how agile you are. Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you.